Hello Stamper, welcome to Frenchie's video. I'm Franz Martin, independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up, and today it's a quick tip video. I learned this, one of my customers sent me a video that was Connie's 2-word, and oh my goodness, this worked like a charm. So thank you Connie for sharing this. Many people got a tough time opening the new style ink pad. Well, watch this here. So this is the front of the ink pad. Where you see Stampin' Up going to face you, you're going to put your two thumb at the top, squeeze. See? Boom. It open and slide it in. Well, the sliding first when you start it, it can be difficult. Connie's tip was to use lip gloss, and she just put it a little bit there. It leave a little thing. I mean, it's going to get back and forth. Or me, that I keep at all time in my craft room, it's W40. So what you can do with W40, it's not spray it directly there. It's take a tissue paper and, like a Kleenex, put it on the Kleenex and put it right there. I love my W40 for many things in my craft room. And then slide it a few times. See, it's already just slide. And now when you want to close it, I understand some of us, our finger get a little bit too deep there and we get ink on our finger. Just go in the back and just push it right here. You see, if you put it and you push it, then you're going to get your grab right below. So I just go and push it, grab it, and close it. So again, squeeze it open, flip it, and close it. See now how easy it is? And I just put my finger there. So the first time, just go a few times, and then it's really going to break. It's too tight first. Et voila, that is it for my tip of the day. Have a lovely day, and for all your Stampin' Up product, visit me at FrenchieStamps.com. Bye-bye for now.